It's got the bar buttons too.
Oh, nice.
Oh, sorry. Want to go up?
Does the hotel also have Fujitec, I assume?
Yep. But a lot taller. It goes up to like 20 something.
This thing's kind of slow.
Yeah.
Faster.
Yeah, the hotels are quicker. I mean, it's a decent elevator for what it is. It has a door hold button. And it goes 350 feet per, well, the floor lengths are probably a lot
Yeah, it's a
taller,
lot.
so it seems slim. It's got the Fujitec rails too.
Yeah.
And that's it.